Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this vegetable potato pie, or a vegetable or veggie shepherd's pie, I suppose. Vegetarian. We've got some lovely vegetables selection underneath there, cooked in tomatoes and garlic and some lovely spices. Now, we're not going to waste time on the mashed potato. I kind of presume that you know how to make mashed potato. I'm going to show a little quick video. Now you can see it, but basically what you do is peel your potatoes, get them in cold water with some salt, bring them to the boil, get your knife in, pull the knife out. If the potato stays in, they're done, nice and soft. Mash them, mash them, mash them. Add some butter, add some black pepper. Mash again, little bit of milk. Mix that in, job done. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is 1 can of tomatoes. That's a whole plum tomato. I'm going to crush that roughly before it goes in. Now, some essentials. So onions, there's 1.5 cups there of onion. There's 1 tablespoon of garlic. And then here, there's 2 teaspoons each of cumin, oregano, chili powder, and paprika. Now be careful with paprika. It usually comes in 3 varieties. You usually get smoked, delicious by the way, sweet, that is that, and then hot. You don't really want hot paprika because you'll be putting basically 2 lots of chili in. And then look, the vegetable selection is entirely up to you. I'm going to be using sweet corn, carrots, frozen garden peas, bell peppers, zucchini, and I've got there 1 can of red kidney beans. Now, if you're using from a can like me, give them a nice wash in some cold water, rinse them through. So these 3 are about 2 cups each. These are about 1.5 cups each. That's about it. Let's get moving. So I've got a frying pan here. You need a pot or a frying pan, obviously. I've got some olive oil in there. We're on a medium heat, or just above actually a medium heat. Let's drop in our onion. And I'm going to get in my carrots now as well. So if you're using something like celery or some kind of root vegetables, get them in now. And a tablespoon of garlic. Now while I'm here, I'm going to get in a nice pinch or 2 of black pepper and the same of salt. Above medium heat, 3 minutes. We're well on our way. All right, that's about 3 minutes there. Now we can get everything in. The peas, the zucchini or courgette or kusa, whatever you call that. The bell peppers. The sweet corn. Now all of these things kind of cook roughly around the same time, you know. That's why they're all going in right now. We can even get in our red kidney beans. And then we're going to get our spices in. Let's just take another look at that. 2 teaspoons each of oregano, cumin, chili powder, and sweet paprika. Four to 5 minutes, staying on this above medium heat, stirring often. Beautiful. Okay, that 1 can of tomatoes that I've crushed with my hand, just roughly. I'm going to put in a little tiny amount of water, maybe half a cup or just under. Just going to turn this down to medium now. We were on above medium. We're going to let that go for about 6 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Now if you wanted, you can get some chopped cilantro or coriander mixed in there. I'm going to keep it just like this today. Right, so we've got this done. Our potatoes are done, you saw that. Let's get it together. So what I've done now is I've put the bottom layer, or the vegetables, into an oven-proof tray. Now I'm using metal. You can use ceramic or glass, as long as it can go into the oven. So that's in, that's like a centimetre or so thickness. Next up, I'm just going to place the potato all over the top. Okay, so the potato went on, you saw, then I just got a fork and put it on. And don't smooth it out, you kind of want those little kind of fork marks in there, those kind of little peaks and troughs. They work nicely in the oven. The thickness of the potato is entirely up to you. Here I've got some cheese. I've got like a cup here of grated cheddar cheese. It's actually, this might actually be a red Leicester, I think, not a cheddar. But it's a nice sharp cheese. You could put some mozzarella on here if you wanted. Anything goes, really. And then we're going to get this into a nice hot oven. Get your oven on maximum heat, as high as it goes, because everything here is cooked. We're just bringing it together. We're not baking a cake here. We're just going to get it nicely together and browned. And then here I've got a little bit more of the sweet paprika, just to put on top as a bit of a kind of signature, really. So in it goes into the oven. It's probably going to be about 15 to 20 minutes maximum heat. I'll see when it comes out. Okay, so that was 20 minutes in my oven, full blast, maximum heat. Just brought it together. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.